The anticipation surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is growing, and for the first time, rumors suggest the tech giant might be preparing to launch a slim variant of its flagship device. The Galaxy S25 Slim, expected to be unveiled next year, promises to bring a remarkable balance of design and performance, offering users a sleek experience without compromising on features. Despite its slim profile, this device is rumored to offer more zoom capabilities than the Galaxy S25 Plus, all thanks to Samsung's innovative new telephoto lens technology. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Slim could be integration of Samsung's all-lens on prism ALoP telephoto zoom lens. This cutting-edge technology, developed by the company's ISOCELL team, was recently revealed and is set to be one of the highlights of the upcoming CES 2025 Expo in Las Vegas, USA. With this lens, Samsung aims to overcome the limitations of traditional zoom lenses by offering more versatility in a compact form factor. What makes the ALoP lens so special? According to a recent interview with two key Samsung engineers, Young-Yu Jung and Minuk Kim, the ALoP lens works by placing all lenses on top of a periscope prism. The unique design uses a 40-degree tilted prism reflection surface and a 10-degree tilted sensor assembly. This configuration allows the lens to achieve impressive zoom capabilities without increasing the thickness of the phone. Conventional folded zoom lenses, while effective, require larger components, which leads to a bulkier device. The ALoP lens, on the other hand, uses horizontally placed lenses that don't interfere with the overall slim design of the phone. This innovative arrangement means users can enjoy enhanced zoom performance without sacrificing the sleekness of the device. The ALoP lens is expected to feature a wide aperture of f2.58 and a focal length of 80 mm, roughly equivalent to 3x optical zoom. When compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's conventional folded zoom lens, which has an aperture of f3.4, the ALoP lens offers better light capture and efficiency, enhancing overall image quality. Thanks to its slim and efficient design, the ALoP lens is an ideal match for the Galaxy S25 Slim, which is rumored to be slimmer than 7 mm. The combination of this advanced lens technology and a thinner profile could position the Galaxy S25 Slim as the go-to choice for those seeking a more portable yet feature-rich device. But there is still some uncertainty about the exact timeline for its release. While many had speculated that Samsung would unveil the Galaxy S25 Slim during the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, there are hints within the One UI 7.0 that suggest the official reveal might come later. The device may be launched sometime in the second quarter of 2025, giving fans plenty of time to wait in eager anticipation. If these rumors turn out to be true, Samsung could be setting a new standard for slim smartphones, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in terms of both design and functionality. The Galaxy S25 Slim could redefine how we think about mobile photography and zoom capabilities in ultra-thin devices. Samsung's focus on innovation is clear, and with the ALoP lens, the company is not just improving the zoom features but also making it possible for users to enjoy them without sacrificing portability. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic ALoP 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.